Hey guys, if you're a beginner couponer and you want to hit Walgreens this week, it is absolutely the week to get started. There's so many all digital coupon deals that anybody can do. I'm also going to show you guys how I'm going to be stacking my first transaction to get back a bunch of rewards that I can then use in my second transaction to lower my out-of-pocket cost. Having a low out-of-pocket is the number one priority when you are couponing, so make sure that you keep that in mind. I also provide a completely free printable breakdown below for you guys in the description box. Definitely check it out. Click File, make a copy, so you can edit the breakdown, take out the deals that you don't need, rearrange your own transactions based on the rewards that you personally have. I also got this digital booster this week for spend 40, get $9 back in Walgreens cash. We do have the spend 45, get $15 in Walgreens cash, but that digital booster, when you click on it, is an online only booster. So keep that in mind. You will not get back that $15 in Walgreens cash if you do it in store, but you can always place an order for curbside pickup. And if you're looking for help learning how to coupon, you want deals done for you so that you don't have to worry about trying to find your own deals and spending all that time, that is all included in my new holiday savings club. I'm going to be helping you guys save $1,000 by December 1st. We have fun challenges, $175 in prizes, and it comes with absolutely everything you need to be able to hit the ground running and start saving money immediately. So that link will be below for you guys, or you can go to briecouponqueen.com/club. Let's head over to Walgreens and start taking advantage of so many great deals this week. So my first transaction, I'm going to focus on deals giving back register rewards so I can then use them in my second transaction when I'm using my digital booster to lower my out-of-pocket cost. So what I'm going to do is the Colgate deal. Now my store just happens to be out of all the $5 toothpaste, so I'm going to grab the Hello instead because it is included in the same promotion. They're $5 each, buy two, get a $5 register reward, and the 4 off 2 digital coupon works for this as well. So you'll pay $6, earn back a $5 register reward, so you're grabbing these for 50 cents a piece. The next deal you want to do is on the Oral-B. You want to grab the ones that are $3.50 each. Buy 3, get a $5 register reward. We have a 5 off 3 digital coupon as well. So you'll pay $5.50, earn back the $5 register reward, makes your final cost 50 cents for all 3. Now my store does not have enough. They only have 1, unfortunately. So I'm going to grab 3 of the toothpaste that are $4 each. So my price is going to be a little bit different, but we're still earning back that register reward to help us lower our cost for the next deal. This next deal is one of my favorite deals on Gain because we have higher value digital coupons than usual. So they are on sale for the larger products, $9.99. Buy 2, earn a $4 register reward. Grab one of the large liquids, clip the $3 digital coupon. Usually it's only $2, so this is definitely a bonus. Next, grab a Gain Flings for $9.99 and clip the separate $3 digital coupon. Now, both of these products, it shows they're tracking towards the spend 45, earn $15 in Walgreens cash on PG products. That digital booster is only for online. In store, it's usually different, but my store doesn't ever tag for it. So the only way to have a reference to see what could possibly work with the in-store one is scanning the products and seeing if it has that digital booster pop up. Now in store, it's usually spend 30, get a $10 register reward. So this will be my first transaction. I'll let you guys know if it winds up printing, but let's go over this deal. So total for these two is $19.98. After the $6 in coupons come off, you'll pay just $13.98, earn back a $4 register reward, makes it $9.98 for 2 or $4.99 a piece. That is 50% savings compared to buying these at Walmart. That's amazing. This is everything I'm grabbing in my first transaction. So I'm not using any digital or paper boosters on this transaction, but I will be earning back a bunch of rewards. So total for all this is $41.98. Now, I have $31.98 worth of P&G products, so I'll let you guys know at the end if the P&G register reward does print. Hopefully it does, fingers crossed. After the coupons come off, I would pay $26.98, but I'm gonna roll $20 in Walgreens cash so that I keep a very low out-of-pocket. I'll pay $6.98 plus tax. Then I'm going to earn back the $4 register reward, the $5 register reward, and the $5 register reward, plus hopefully the $10 register reward, so I can roll that into my next transaction. So let's go check out and then we'll get on to more deals. This next deal I'm super excited about. This is the deodorant I personally use that I absolutely love. My husband and I use the same ones, and we don't really get very insane deals on it very much, so I'm definitely excited about it this week. Plus, they're buy one, get one half off. Buy four, get an $8 register reward, and these Old Spice work with the P&G booster, so hopefully we'll get another $10 register reward. So I'm gonna grab 2 of these. There is a 5 off 2 digital coupon that I have, but it's an only for you digital coupon. That's why I'm doing it this way. Everybody should have a 5 off 3 digital coupon. So if that's the case, I would grab 3 of them. Next, I'm gonna grab 2 Secret deodorant. They're also buy one, get one half off. Plus, I have a $3 only for you digital coupon and a $1.05 digital coupon that'll work on the second product. If you don't have the 5 off 2 and you're using the 5 off 3, then I would grab 3 Old Spice and I would grab 1 Secret. So this is everything I'm grabbing in this deal. All of these do track towards the P&G register reward for in-store as well. So total is $29.97. After the coupons come off, I'm gonna pay $20.92 out of pocket. Then I'm gonna earn back the $8 register reward. Makes my final cost $12.92 for all 4, which is personally a really good deal. But like I said, I'm gonna also be using this in a transaction with a digital booster, and it tracks towards the P&G rebate, so we're gonna keep going. Next deal, of course, I'm stocking up on diapers. So this week they are 2 for $21. Buy 2, get back a $4 register reward. Grab whichever 2 of the bags that you want. Click the 3 off 2 digital coupon. So for this deal, you'll pay $18, earn back the $4 register reward. Makes your final cost $14 for 2 bags or $7 a piece. Now these do also track towards the P&G promotion for spend 30, get a $10 register reward, or they should. So let's go over my second transaction. So this is gonna be my second transaction. I'm gonna be using this digital booster for spend 40, get $9 in Walgreens cash. Now before we move on, you're probably thinking, wait, why didn't you earn the $9 in Walgreens cash on your first transaction? Because it was over $40 in product value. It's because I used too much Walgreens cash, but I did that on purpose so I could get back the register rewards, because out of pocket is your main priority. So total for all this is $50.92. I'm gonna use $10 in Walgreens cash. Now my total is $40.92. So I'm still over $40. I will get back the $9 in Walgreens cash from the booster. After the rest of the digital coupons come off, I'll pay $28.96 out of pocket. That's too high. We're gonna use all the register rewards we earned from the first transaction. Then at the end, we're still gonna earn back the $4 register reward for these, the $8 register reward for these, plus hopefully the $10 P&G register reward for grabbing $30 worth of P&G products, plus the $9 in Walgreens cash from the digital booster. Now, one disclaimer, if I earn the $10 P&G register reward from the first transaction, I am not gonna roll it into this transaction. Last time the that P&G promotion came around, that register reward was not rolling, meaning you cannot use it towards that exact same deal. Otherwise, the second register reward will not print. So heads up on that. Now we're gonna go check out, and I'll let you guys know how everything goes. So I just finished checking out. The $10 register reward for P&G did not print for my first transaction. It did for my second transaction. Today's the 4th. It expires on the 7th, and I'm not gonna come back in the next 3 days. So I went to my Done For You deals, which is the top 20 deals for CVS and the top 20 deals for Walgreens that I provide. And I'm gonna do a couple more deals so that I can use this. So the deal that I'm gonna do is on the Dove hair care, because it's a really good deal this week. They are buy one, get one half off, buy 2, get a $5 register reward, and we have a 4 off 2 digital coupon. So the first one will ring in at $6.49, the second one will ring in at $3.24. So I'll pay $5.73, earn back a $5 register reward, makes it 73 cents for 2 hair care products. That's incredible. Next, I'm gonna do the Dove body wash deal. I was gonna do the bar soap down here, but they're not tagged in my store for the men's. And when I'm scanning them, this 5 off 2 digital coupon isn't showing that it's attaching, but it's not showing that it's attaching to anything. And it is showing right in the Walgreens ad that it should be there for this deal. So we're gonna have to see how it goes at checkout. So I think I'm just gonna be on the safe side and grab 2 of these for $8 each. Then I'm gonna use that $5 coupon. I'll pay $11, get back $5 in Walgreens cash this time. Makes my final cost $6 for 2 of them, or $3 a piece. And that is definitely a stock up price for Dove products. Okay, we're back home from Walgreens. I did 3 transactions because like I said, I noticed that register reward expired in like 3 or 4 days. Like, I'm not going to hit Walgreens twice in 1 week. I just don't have time for that. I teach my students to coupon once a week at one store. So check those register rewards. Just make sure you know when they're going to expire. And that way you know if you're going to be at Walgreens again within that time frame, or if you need to go ahead and just roll it and do another deal. So let me show you guys my transactions. Okay, so the first transaction, the point of the first transaction was to pretty much exchange Walgreens cash, which is a digital reward, for register rewards. Because I was using that digital booster, you can only pay with so much Walgreens cash. And again, my main priority is a low out-of-pocket cost. So I had at least $20 in Walgreens cash that I could roll. So what I did was the Colgate deal. So I got the Hello instead because I didn't have the Colgate at my store. The Gain deal, which was such a good freaking deal. Oh my God, I'm so excited about that one. Anytime I can stock up on laundry products, I feel like I get the biggest adrenaline rush when I get the laundry products for super cheap. And then I did the Crest deal. So here's a register reward I had from like a week or two ago. These are all the digital coupons coming off. Then I rolled $20 in Walgreens cash. If I did not roll $20 in Walgreens cash, I would have earned the $9 back for the booster because the booster was spend $40 and the retail value of all this was $41.98. However, my out-of-pocket would have been way too high, and that's just one transaction. So that's why I did $20 in Walgreens cash, paid only $5.38 out of pocket. Then I earned back all my register rewards to use in my next transaction. But the Gain and the Crest did not print the $10 P&G register reward. The problem with that promotion is there is no way in the world to know exactly what's included. It makes no sense to me. I don't know why the Catalina Machine Company or whatever has it that way. It's kind of silly. But that's why I try to do as many deals as I can to kind of figure out what's working and what's not. And then I come here and share them with you guys. So if you're not subscribed, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and the bell notification. So when I do post new videos every single week, you'll know before you go to the store what's working, what's not, what's a good deal to make sure that you're just stocking up on what you actually need. Okay, now my favorite transaction. I'm so excited about the Old Spice because I was running low. And then the Secret deodorant, one of my clients that I resell to uses only Secret, so that'll be easy to resell for them. Pampers diapers, obviously I need that. Okay, so here's all the register rewards that I got from the first transaction. Anything that says just CPN, those are register rewards. eCPN is an electronic coupon. That's the digital coupon. So these are the digital coupons coming off here. Then I used $10 in Walgreens cash because that was the most that I could use on this transaction. Paid $17.01 out of pocket. Got back the $9.40 in Walgreens cash because I did complete that booster. Plus I got back that $10 register reward and the Pampers register reward, as well as the Old Spice and Secret register reward. And I can't find the receipt for my third transaction. Oh, boom, there it is. Okay, so when I noticed that, I was like, okay, I can't leave the store. So I just went around real quick. I checked my done for you deals. That's included in the Holiday Savings Club as well. So it's the top 20 deals for CVS and the top 20 deals for Walgreens every single week. So I'm already putting that together. So I just went and checked my own breakdowns. And then I picked 2 really good deals to be able to do to roll over that $10 register reward. So if you want to join that Holiday Savings Club, I'd absolutely love to have you guys. That'll be below for you in the description or in the pinned comments. So I did the Dove hair deal and I did the body wash deal, rolled that $10 register reward. Then I have the digital coupons coming off here. And I used $5 in Walgreens cash. Again, I just want a low out of pocket, paid $3.53 for those 4 products, which is a really good deal because my out of pocket cash cost is less than $1 per product. So if you are reselling your stockpile like I do, you're able to actually make a profit when you resell it because your cash cost is low enough. So now let's pop inside. I'm going to put together all of these transactions in my digital budget spreadsheet. Takes me maybe 45 seconds, and that way you can actually track how much you're spending and see how much you're saving. So at the end of each month, what we're doing in the Holiday Savings Club is we're taking that money and we're transferring it into our holiday savings fund. That way we have that ready to go when we're gonna be buying our Christmas gifts, when we're gonna be hosting for the holidays and buying food and doing travel and all that kind of stuff. We already have the money set aside for that in our holiday savings fund in our high yield savings. So let's go inside and put together everything in my digital budget spreadsheet so I can show you guys where everything goes. So this is my digital budget spreadsheet. What we're gonna do is put in the date. Then you're gonna pick from the drop down what the store is. So we were at Walgreens. So I do one line per transaction. So the first transaction, my total retail value is all the sale prices. So for example, the Colgate was $5 each, so that's $10. The Gain is $9.99 on sale. So those are the prices that you're adding up. We were at $41.98. Out of pocket, how much you swiped your credit card for, I paid $5.38, including taxes. How many rewards I used was $23. I didn't use any gift cards, and I didn't get any cash back on this one. And then rewards I earned back on this was $14. So all of these calculations are gonna happen for you. The formulas are already inputted when you get this downloaded. So we saved 87% on just my first transaction. My second transaction was $50.96 worth of products. My out-of-pocket cost was $17.01. Rewards I used was $24. No gift cards here. No cash back on that one. And then rewards I earned back was $9.40 in Walgreens cash, plus 4 plus 8, $21.40. And then my last transaction, the retail value was $25.73. Out of pocket on that one was $3.53. Rewards I used $15. No cash back there either. And then rewards I got back was $10.20. So I saved 86% there. This is gonna average the percentage of all the different hauls that you've done for the month, but most importantly, it is the first week of the month. I've only done 2 hauls and I've already saved $201.67. Over here is really important as well, so you know exactly how much you have left in your budget. My personal budget is $150, but when you get this digital budget spreadsheet, you can change it. If you don't want to join my Holiday Savings Club and you just want the spreadsheet, you can go to this website, briecouponqueen.com/budget, or it's linked below for you guys. In the products, it's $7. That way you get everything. You also get the monthly budget planner tab and some training videos just to show you exactly how to use everything. So you can also change this if you want to do a $100 budget or $300 budget, whatever, and then everything else will update for you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. And if you aren't subscribed yet, please take a second, hit that face icon and subscribe. I would absolutely love to have you. My channel is all about finding ways to save money, stacking deals as best as we can, so we can quickly and easily save hundreds of dollars every single month. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you are new to couponing, definitely check out this video for the top 5 couponing mistakes that you definitely want to avoid. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.